Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY garden decor with a product that's making waves in the landscaping scene. This right here is the best turtle stepping stone mold you can find on the market, the HapWay turtle-shaped stepping stone mold. If you're into creating a personalized garden path that stands out, this might just be the perfect addition to your toolkit. What sets this mold apart is its unique turtle design, crafted for garden lovers who want to add a touch of whimsy and charm to their outdoor spaces. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's not just sturdy but also incredibly easy to use, even if you're new to DIY projects. No special skills required, simply pour the concrete into the mold and let it set. Made of high-quality ABS plastic for long-lasting performance. Adds a decorative element to your garden with its detailed turtle shape. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Beyond its charming appearance, the HapWay turtle mold offers practical advantages for DIY enthusiasts and gardeners alike. Now, you might be wondering how it stacks up against similar products. Well, the HapWay turtle mold stands out not only for its design but also for its affordability and durability compared to others on the market. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner looking to add a personal touch to your outdoor space, the HapWay turtle-shaped stepping stone mold is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start creating your own garden masterpiece. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews and DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.